everybody, this is Gulf Coast Sirens here with another video. I just survived the Great Freeze Texas thing, so decided, well, what a better video than to film a siren test outside. So these are Route Waker's mini sirens. I don't know if he still makes them, but this is a Thunderbolt one. It's a 5.6 port, and I forgot how many ports this was. Take this out because it has my name on it. I do not want to show my name, but so first we're gonna do the 5.6 port. It's pretty quiet. Whoops. And here we have this one. This was my first one. Well, sorry for the shaky camera audio. I'm doing this with one hand, but thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Have a good day.